Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. In your 20s, you can take small steps, but what about your 30s? How do you ensure a comfortable retirement, and what's the key to securing your financial future? In today's video, we will uncover the secrets to securing your financial future, no matter where you are in life. It might sound daunting, but don't worry. We've got a simple plan for you. So get a pen and paper ready because we've got a lot of valuable advice coming your way. We understand that thinking about retirement and finances can be a bit overwhelming, but we're here to make it easy and guide you through the necessary steps. So let's get started on this journey toward financial security and peace of mind. The importance of early retirement planning. When and how you plan for retirement can have a big impact on when you can finally say goodbye to your job and how enjoyable your life will be during retirement. The best way is to start saving as soon as you begin working. If you secure your first job in your early 20s, you have a great head start. Saving even a small amount consistently can grow into a substantial nest egg by the time you're ready to retire. It's not just about money, it's about the freedom to live life on your terms when you're older, and that's something worth planning for early on. Retirement planning in your 20s. In your 20s, retirement may seem like a far-off concept, but it's a fantastic time to begin your journey towards financial security. Even if you can only set aside a small portion of your paycheck each month, those early contributions can grow substantially over time. It's not just about the numbers. It's about establishing a foundation of financial stability and providing freedom for your future self. Moreover, starting early grants you the advantage of compound interest, a financial superpower that helps your money grow even more. So don't underestimate the significance of your 20s in laying the groundwork for a comfortable retirement. It's the ideal moment to sow the seeds for a prosperous and stress-free later life. Your 20s are a unique period of exploration, learning, and building the foundation for your future. While retirement might seem distant, it's the perfect opportunity to make wise financial choices that will shape your later years. Saving even a small amount now can have a considerable impact on your financial well-being down the road. Beyond the financial aspect, it's about creating a sense of security and the freedom to pursue your dreams and passions in retirement. By embracing your 20s as the starting point for a secure future, you're not only planning for retirement, but also laying the groundwork for a life filled with opportunities and adventures. It's about beginning a journey that leads to a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Retirement planning in your 30s. When you're in your 30s, retirement planning takes on a new level of importance. It's a decade where many life changes happen. Marriage, children, a mortgage, and career advancement. It's crucial to adjust your retirement strategy to fit your current situation. While you might have more financial responsibilities, it's essential not to neglect your retirement savings. Starting or increasing your contributions in your 30s is a smart move. It's not just about the numbers. It's about securing a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. This is the time to make sure your retirement plan aligns with your changing life. Retirement planning in your 40s. If you find yourself in your 40s and haven't given much thought to retirement, don't fret. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes financial planning takes a back seat. However, it's never too late to catch up and secure your financial future. In your 40s, you may have more financial responsibilities, like children's education and mortgage payments, but it's still crucial to prioritize retirement savings. Consider increasing your contributions to retirement accounts and making smart investment decisions. It's not just about the numbers. It's about creating a financially stable future and savoring your later years. So let's tackle your 40s with determination and ensure your retirement plan aligns with the unique journey of your life. Each step you take now brings you closer to a peaceful and stress-free retirement, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your hard work in the future. Retirement planning in your 50s. As you reach your 50s, retirement planning takes on a more urgent tone. It's a time when you can see retirement on the horizon, and you need to make sure you're well prepared. You might be at your peak earning years, so it's essential to maximize your contributions to retirement accounts and catch up on any savings gaps. It's not just about the money. It's about creating a worry-free retirement and ensuring your hard work pays off. While it may feel like a race against time, every step you take now brings you closer to the retirement you've worked so hard for. So let's navigate your 50s with determination and make sure your retirement plan aligns with your life's journey. Your future self will thank you for it. Retirement planning in your 60s and beyond. Your 60s and beyond mark the pinnacle of your working life, and retirement is on the horizon. It's a time to reflect on the journey you've undertaken and make sure your finances align with your dreams for retirement. You might be transitioning into retirement or already enjoying the fruits of your labor. It's essential to calculate your expected income sources, like Social Security, pensions, and investments. It's not just about the money. It's about fulfilling the dreams you've held for so long and finding joy in this new chapter of life. Although it may feel like a race against time, every financial decision you make now brings you closer to a relaxed and prosperous retirement. So let's navigate your 60s and beyond with confidence, making sure your retirement plan aligns with the life you've always imagined in retirement. Your golden years should be a time of fulfillment, joy, and the peace you've worked so hard to achieve. In your 60s and beyond, you accumulated a wealth of experiences and wisdom. Retirement planning becomes both a financial and emotional journey. It's not just about dollars and cents. It's about realizing the dreams you've held on to for decades. While financial stability is crucial, so is emotional well-being. This phase offers you the chance to travel, explore new hobbies, and spend quality time with loved ones. It's about striking a balance between financial security and living life to the fullest. So let's ensure that your retirement plan not only secures your financial future, but also enables you to cherish every moment of your well-deserved retirement, where your golden years shine as bright as the sun. Retirement income strategies. Planning for retirement is not just about saving. It's also about creating a plan for how you'll use that money when you stop working. Your retirement income strategy is like a roadmap for your financial future. It's essential to consider various sources of income, such as Social Security, pensions, investments, and any part-time work you might want to do. The goal is to maintain a comfortable and enjoyable lifestyle during retirement. It's not just about numbers. It's about ensuring that you have the means to live the life you've always dreamed of in your later years. So let's craft a retirement income strategy that aligns with your unique goals and dreams, providing you with the financial security and peace of mind you deserve. Estate planning and legacy building. Estate planning is like crafting a blueprint for your financial legacy. It involves making important decisions about who will inherit your assets, how your medical care should be handled, and what should happen to your belongings. It's not just about money and possessions, it's about peace of mind and ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of according to your wishes. Legacy building goes beyond finances. It's about the mark you want to leave on the world. It's about passing down your values, life lessons, and the stories that define who you are. By considering how you want to be remembered and the impact you want to have on future generations, you can build a meaningful legacy that extends far beyond your lifetime. So estate planning and legacy building are about making a lasting impact, protecting your loved ones, and ensuring that your values and memories continue to influence and inspire those who come after you. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to retirement planning, remember that your financial future is in your hands. It's never too early or too late to start securing your retirement. Whether you're in your 20s or beyond, the key is to take action now. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical steps to make your retirement dreams a reality. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep planning and building a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Take care.